The Guarumo House, a testament to contemporary architecture's seamless integration with nature, stands as a beacon on Costa Rica's Pacific coast. Its dramatic location on a steep slope presents a unique challenge, one that the architects at Void have turned into an opportunity. By carefully stepping the building blocks, they've not only minimized environmental impact but also maximized the breathtaking ocean views and lush tropical surroundings. At the heart of Guarumo lies a void, a deliberate absence that becomes the social epicenter. This non-material space, framed by the architecture, invites nature to take center stage. Here, an infinity pool mirrors the sunset, a bar and barbecue area beckon for gatherings, and a terrace offers panoramic views of the treetops. This architectural strategy encourages a profound connection with the natural world, providing a serene and immersive experience. The design of Guarumo is a departure from traditional tropical architecture, which often prioritizes short-lived materials for a more natural aesthetic. Instead, the architects have opted for enduring cast concrete, a choice that may be more demanding but ultimately offers a low-maintenance and sustainable solution. This approach, combined with strategic positioning, natural materials, and passive design elements, demonstrates a deep understanding of the local climate and a commitment to ecological responsibility. Beyond its striking design, Guarumo fosters a sense of community and cultural exchange. The shared spaces, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living, invite residents and guests to gather, relax, and connect. This harmonious coexistence of architecture and nature creates a space that is both inspiring and timeless. Guarumo is not merely a house, it's a destination where the boundaries between the built and the natural world blur, inviting us to appreciate the beauty of both. In this video, we've explored the stunning Guarumo House, a testament to the harmonious blend of modern architecture and nature. Situated on the breathtaking Costa Rican Pacific coast, the Guarumo House offers a unique architectural experience, where the void becomes the focal point and the natural surroundings take center stage. If you're inspired by the Guarumo House and its unique architectural approach, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on sustainable architecture and design. We'll continue to explore innovative projects that push the boundaries of creativity and create a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching.